Hello everyone, welcome to the IAS Mentor Science and Tech Time Travel Series. In this episode, let us see a brief story about the people behind the emergence of zero. When it comes to the oldest evidence of zero, that goes to Babylonians long ago, 3000 BC. But the real beginning of zero as a digit, as a number, that credit goes to Aryabhata from India. He is regarded as the inventor of zero. He used 0 as a separate digit, as a number. More than Aryabhata, there was another scientist called Brahmagupta. He has written a book called Brahmasputa Siddhanta. He used the term called Shunya. Shunya has become a common name for 0 thereafter. And thereafter, it became very popular in the Indian context. The knowledge of Indians reached Arab world as well. With the rise of Caliphate, when Sindh region was conquered by Arab Caliphate, the knowledge of Indian mathematics reached Arab world. There was a very great mathematician of that time period called Al-Khwarizmi. He was an Arab mathematician. He contributed so many things related to mathematics of the medieval time period. In fact, the modern term algorithm is the name we give for step-by-step sequence of steps for the computer. The term also algorithm also comes from Al-Khwarizmi. That was the greatness of this mathematician. He studied whatever mathematics knowledge that was prevalent of that time period, including Indian mathematics also. He popularized in Arab world. From there, Europeans got the numbers from India with Arabs to the European world. That is why Europeans used to call Arab numerals. Whatever digits we are using like 0, 1, 2, 3, Europeans used to call Arab numerals. In fact, they are Indian numerals, but Europeans got these numerals from Arab world. When Arab world was very powerful, that's why that name became very, very common. Later, Europeans used extensively. When the modern world time comes, 0 has become very, very important when it comes to the computer language. Today, computers are relying on ones and zeros only. That is how the story of 0. When it comes to Indian context, here you will get even one prelims question also. There was a temple in Gwalior. That Gwalior temple recorded 0. It is considered as the place, the oldest existing 0 in Gwalior region. There is an inscription. This is a temple. The temple name is Chaturbuja temple in Gwalior. This can be a prelims question also. This temple had an inscription. That inscription has this usage of zeros. So that is why as a dot, as the first place recorded evidence in the Indian context, oldest recorded 0 symbol is at Gwalior's Chaturbuj temple. This can be your prelims question also, remember it. Now you got, with respect to prelims, Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Chaturbuj temple, Al-Khwarizmi. And the Europeans got Indian numerals from Arab world. That is why they called Arab numerals. But Arabs got inspiration from Indian numerals. When Sindh was conquered, Indian knowledge reached strongly to the Arab world. So this is how brief story about 0. Remember, this knowledge you can use in your essays also in order to highlight the greatness of Indians' contribution to the science and tech world. In prelims also, whatever facts I have given, that is useful. All right. Thank you.